Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or maybe it's a good night. In this video, I want to show you how you can access your Ultimate Money Machine course on the Digitstem platform. Okay, so you're going to go to Google Chrome on your phone and you click and you search for Digitstem.com. Have you seen it? Digitstem.com. And it's going to open. And because you're a registered member, you are going to just click on Get Started. My own account is already here, but because you are just coming in, you have to log in into your account as if you are registered, and with your username and password, and you will get access and log in. So when you log in, you will come in here on this three dash here. You will go to the e-learning platform. You click, and there's a video here that will teach you things that you need to know. These are the different courses you have access as a member of Digitstem Affiliate Network. So these are the courses you have access to: Ultimate Digital Skill course, Ultimate Money Machine course, and there's another one, the Ad Mastery. So let me go here. Okay, let me go here first. Let me go to this. Let me go back here and see the dashboard of this e-learning platform. So I'm going to click on my courses. This is an ad. Let me remove it. Ultimate Money Machine. These are the courses you have access to. Ultimate Digital Skill course. So let me click on this view course. So this is Ultimate Money Machine course, and it's fully loaded. A lot of things are inside this course. This is complete digital marketing course. Many things are inside this course. So I'm just showing you how you can access it. I'm sure you have seen how you can access your course right now. When you finish this one, you can go back to this dashboard and go to your courses again and start your ultimate blogging course. Blogging is a wonderful way to make money online. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to learn a digital skill. So do subscribe to my channel, and if you have not gotten access to this course, there will be a link in the description that will take you to get this course. This course is fully loaded. I think I made another video on how that explains everything that you will learn on this course, this Ultimate Money Machine course. I will still put it in the description of this video so that I don't want this one to be so long. So God bless you and see you in my next video. Thank you.